adding and subtracting 6 or 7 digit numbers. And how we have to add 6 or 7 digit numbers? In the same way we add 4 or 5 digit numbers. So let's start. Whenever we have to add, we must follow these 2 steps. Yes, we have to follow 2 steps. So step 1 is we arrange the given numbers in columns, ones under ones, tens under tens, hundred under hundreds, and so on. Step 2. We add the digits in each column, taking the carry to the next columns to the left side if there is any carry, and adding it along with the digits in that column. We continue this process till we add the digits in all the columns. So these are the rules to add. So now let's understand by taking an example. So let's take an example. Add 35,07,469 and 66,41,007. You have to add these 2 numbers in the same way you add 3, 4 or 5 digit numbers. So let's arrange the digits according to the columns. Now follow the steps. Step 1 is add ones place. That is, in ones place we have 9 and 7. Add 9 and 7, we get 16 as answer. Take carry to the next column and then add the tens place. In tens place we have 6 and 0, and we have also the carried 1. So add 6 plus 1 plus 0, we get 7. So these are the 3 steps that we have to follow first. In the first step, you have added the ones place. In the second step, you have taken the carry to the next column. And in the third step, you have added the tens place. Now move towards the fourth step. Step 4 is add hundreds place. That is 4 plus 0. That is 4 hundreds plus 0 hundred is equal to 4 only. So we have added the hundreds place also. Now step 5. Add thousands place. That is 7,000 plus 1,000, which is equal to 8,000. So this is the thousands place all added now. Now move towards the sixth step. Add 10,000s place. In 10,000s place, we have 0 10,000 and 4 10,000s. When we add both the numbers, we get 4 10,000s. So now we have added up to 10,000s place. Now step 7. Add lakh place. In lakhs place, we have 5 lakh plus 6 lakh, which is equal to 10 lakhs. So 11, again we have to take carry, then carry 1 lakh to the 10th lakh column as shown. So follow the next step, that is 9th. Add 10 lakhs place, that is the only left place with us now. When we add 10 lakhs place, we get 1 crore. So we have done the addition of all the columns. So when we add all the columns, we get the final answer. So what the place values are over here? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So up to 10 lakh place values were there. When we added all the columns, we get the answer. The answer is 1 crore 1,48,476. Therefore, the sum of given numbers is 1 crore 1,48,476. Now let's move towards the subtraction. Whenever we have to subtract, we must follow these 2 steps, or we can say that we have to follow these 2 rules. These are the rules which we have to follow during subtraction. Step 1. We arrange the given numbers in columns, ones under ones, tens under tens, hundred under hundreds, and so on. Step 2. Beginning with the ones, we go on subtracting column wise, borrowing if necessary from the next column to the left. That means whenever we have to do the subtraction, we can borrow any number from the next column. Now let's understand by taking an example. Over here we have a number. Subtract 24,78,652 from 83,64,579. The first step that we have to follow is we arrange the given numbers in columns. That means minuend on the top and subtrahend under it. Now the next step that we have to follow is subtract ones and tens unit. Step 3 is now we have to borrow, because we cannot subtract 6 from 5. That have to be subtracted from a bigger number. So we just take the borrow. When we borrow from 4, we get 15 in the hundreds place. So we get 1500, and it's easier to subtract 6 from 1500. So now subtract as shown. When we subtract 6 from 15, we get 9. Now next step is, now we have to borrow again from the next column in order to do the subtraction. Just look over here and just try to understand. So whenever we subtract these two numbers, we get this result, that is 58,85,927. This is known as the subtraction. This is how we do the subtraction. It is very easy because we have already done in our previous classes how to add 4 or 5 digit. So student, this is how we add and subtract 6 or 7 digit numbers. I hope you understand how to subtract. So this is all about in this video. We will continue with our next topic in our next video of the same chapter. Till then, stay home and stay safe.